Hey tech freaks from across the world, welcome to my channel Tech Store. Before starting to watch this video, hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. Do not forget to like, share and comment our videos. Thank you so much guys.
Hey guys, I'm Anand, your tech guide from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest HP entry-level 14S DQ3032 series of laptops. Now if you have a budget of around 30,000 rupees right now in 2022, somewhere in June, July you are wanting to buy a laptop, then this is the video that you need to watch. So let's do it. So this laptop, the 14S DQ3032TU, comes in a Celeron variant. It is an Intel Celeron N4500 with 2 cores and 4 threads. The base frequency is 1.10 and the turbo boost is up to 2.8 GHz. Very much sufficient for all your day-to-day works, as well as good amount of browsing and multitasking also. It has got a 4 MB cache memory also onto it. It has got 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM and a 256 GB SSD, which can be upgraded up to 1 TB. You can also put another hard drive into it. So this particular series, the 3000 series of the 14S, they will all look like this. So on the top there is this textured finish. It's not at all premium, let me tell you very frankly. It looks very plasticky, but at this price point, what more do you get? The HP logo is over, jet black, absolutely. Once you open up, you see a glare screen. It does not even have an anti-glare screen, and it has got two-sided nano bezel. It has got dual array microphone. The camera quality, we will test how exactly it is. It's got front firing speaker grill. The power button is over here on the outside, not inside the keyboard. That's a good thing. The keyboard is below average for the HP quality that we generally have. The size of the key is very good. The key travel is okayish. It is not great to be precise, but keyboard could have been a little better. Even the inners also have the same textured finish that you have on the top over here. You have a rectangular touchpad. It is a multi-gesture touchpad because of the 14 inches form factor. The touchpad looks a little cute and small over here. It's got MS Office 2021 and Windows 11 preloaded in it. So it makes it all in all a very good packaged laptop. On the left, we have a memory card reader and hard drive indicator and power indicator, and no other IOs whatsoever. It's pretty slim at this price point. On the front also there are no IOs. On the right, surprisingly, you have a C-type port also with a headphone mic combi. That's a very good thing to have. So under 30,000 rupees, laptops don't generally have C-type ports, so that's a very good thing that HP has done. Two USB 3.0 ports, a full HDMI port with a charging pin indicator and the DC jack. On the rear, there is absolutely nothing. The base again is a standard looking base. The amount of perforation that is there is not all that great if you would ask me. Heat vent also is being blocked by the display, as is with most HP entry-level 14S and 15S series laptops. So this is a video shot taken from the webcam of the HP 14S DQ3032TU. This is the Celeron variant, and the camera is not all that great, but not bad. For the given price point, I can see 720p here, and the quality is not bad actually because of the dual area microphone. The audio pickup is also very good. So let's check the audio quality of the HP 14S entry-level DQ series. Pretty loud, not very crisp if you would ask me. Tinny per se. Could have been a better bass on this particular speaker, but the speaker quality is not bad for this given price point of around 30,000 odd here in India. The speaker is fairly good actually, if you would ask me. Now let's see if the hinges are stable enough and it opens with one hand or not. So this is our hinges stability test, and no, it's pretty tight hinges, will surely lead to the laptop display frame getting broken. So just get it loosened guys. The laptop has to open with one hand. That's the minimum that you should have on any given laptop. It's not all that difficult. Ask your vendor to do this for you. In another video, we're going to be showing you how to exactly do this also. So let's now dig deep inside and check out how to upgrade the RAM, hard drive, SSD in a scenario you've already purchased it, or if you want to know how are the inners of this laptop before making a buying decision. First thing first, we need to flip the laptop, and we need to remove the screws that are visible over here, and there are some screws below these rudders. So we need to take a cutter like this, and we need to very carefully remove this particular rudder along with the double-sided tape that is there holding onto this. Remember, the double-sided tape has to come along. You see the double-sided tape is coming along. Keep it aside. Ditto with this particular rudder also. Cut a little deep inside, and then this will come off. Keep it aside. Now take a screwdriver and start removing all the screws. So there are two different type of screws here. The center one over here is a thinner screw, and right and left are thicker screws. So be very sure when you are putting it back. So these are very small screws over here at the extreme end of the base. So you have to be careful. Now you need to flip the laptop, open it up, take a triangular pry which is available locally in the market, and start protruding very gently on all the sides. You'll hear a lot of crackling sound, but that's absolutely fine. And you need to again flip the laptop, close it, and the base will come off very, very comfortably. So this is the battery over here. These are the speakers. This is a fanless design. As you can see, because of it being a Celeron or a Pentium processor, you will not have a fan or a specific heatsink kind of a thing that you see in a Core i3 or Core i5 laptop. And there is one RAM bay. There is SSD over here. There is a NVMe SSD. And you have an area given for putting a hard drive also. That's a good thing, but a connector is not there. So that is something we were expecting. So let's start with the battery first. Let's remove the screws. So guys who want to just replace the battery, just need to remove these few screws over here. Just need to remove the battery like this. So it's a very standard HT03XL battery that you need to buy. The power ratings are 3420 mAh, 11.4 volts and 41.04 watt hours. So this is basically a 3600 mAh battery, and will give you a comfortable backup of around 4 to 5 hours. So just replace it with this particular battery and you're good to go. So this is the part where the SSD is. So in a scenario your laptop has come with a hard drive and the SSD is not there, just you need to have a m.2 NVMe SSD, or you want to say upgrade from the existing 256 GB to a 1 terabyte SSD. You just need to take a Gen 3 m.2 NVMe SSD. It can be up to 1 terabyte, and just put it back like this. So long form factor 2280 is what is required for this m.2 SSD. Coming to the RAM part here, unfortunately there is only one slot of memory that you can upgrade to. Only one slot given over here, so no dual data rate on this particular laptop. So if you want to remove the existing RAM and upgrade, you need to put your two thumb fingers. The RAM will come out. Or say in a scenario your RAM is not working and you want to replace it, you just need to take a DDR4 3200 MHz laptop RAM. It can be a 4 GB, 8 GB or a 16 GB. The maximum RAM upgrade capacity of this laptop is 16 GB. So take a similar RAM like this, and you just need to insert over here like this and press it from the top. So if you want to replace the speaker, this is the speaker notch over here, connector, and one screw over here, and another two screws over here, and the speaker will come off. You need to also remove this particular strip over here if you want to remove the speaker. This is the Wi-Fi chip over here. So if you want to replace the Wi-Fi chip, it's a Wi-Fi AC chip. Just need to remove these two antennas. They are just held upon. Just need to remove them. Remove this particular one screw and you can replace with a similar Wi-Fi chip. This is the keyboard connector over here. So if you have to say in a scenario your keyboard is not working, just need to remove this particular keyboard connector and disconnect it, and you can use a USB keyboard and start working till the point you get a keyboard replacement. So as of now we will again put it back. There is a backlit connector also given on the motherboard. So if you have a replacement of the keyboard that you are placing, you can as well have a backlit pad and you can connect to a backlit keyboard. This is the touchpad connector over here. So in a scenario touchpad is not working, just need to remove this particular connector and you can disconnect it. So this is the daughter board connecting the motherboard, which has got headphone mic combi, and it has also got the memory card reader. So in a scenario you have to replace it, this entire thing has to be replaced. So this is the DC jack over here. The DC jack is placed below this particular hinge. Just need to remove 1 and 2 screws and you can lift that hinge and you will find the DC jack for this particular laptop. This is the display cable. Say in a scenario your laptop is not giving display, it is powering on. Just try removing this once like this and again fit it back. Go and sit there and just press it. In all probability the display will come. So let's put things back. So need to putting the battery back, just need to press it like this over here and start putting all the screws that are there and put the base back and start pressing from all sides. Over here also you need to press a little and now you can put the screws back. And you can power on the laptop. So this, my friends, was a video showcasing the HP 14S DQ3032TU. This is the entry-level HP laptop, which is around 30,000 rupees here in India, and it packs quite a punch. If you'd ask me, the webcam quality is fantastic. The speakers were really astounding. I was really amazed at the given quality at this price point, although it could have been a little bit more crispier and have a better bass, but that's okay. That's what you would get at this price point. The screen quality is not all that great. It has got a TN panel. It has got 1366x768. It does not come with a full HD. It comes preloaded with a 8GB DDR4 and only one single RAM slot. So you can upgrade maximum up to 16GB. It's got a hard drive area where you can put a hard drive also, but you need to buy a separate connector. You can upgrade up to 2TB hard drive on this particular laptop if you have the connector with you. The keyboard quality is not all that great. It does not have backlit. The quality feel of the keyboard is not great. The key travel is not all that great, so that is a little of a downer for us. And it has got good amount of ports if you'd ask me at this price point, and lightweight. It's got approximately 1.5 kgs weight. The backup was really nice. It gave us around 5 to 6 hours on a normal average working of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, internet browsing. It gave us a good comfortable backup around 5 to 6 hours. So all in all, a good power packed laptop in the given price range. You can, if you have a budget of around 30,000 rupees here in India, this is the laptop that you need to buy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do let us know your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. We take a lot of effort to produce these videos to help you guys out to do the right buying decision or help you in upgrading your existing laptop. So do hit the subscribe and the bell icon. Thank you so much.